What's going on, beautiful people? Wesley Smith here from Helping Our People Evolve LLC, and I'm here to talk to you about the new app that I built, Rehab Insights by Hope. It's an AI powered rehab estimation tool. It can quickly estimate your rehab costs, whether you're a wholesaler, an investor, a property manager, a project manager. This can expedite your process and give you accurate rehab estimates. So let's go ahead and sign in. I wanted to show you how it works using a property that I wholesaled about a year ago. I have it right here already, but normally you would click new project if you wanted to start a new project and put in the basic information, your property details, tell the app whether it's a fix and flip, a rental, a BRRRR, live-in flip, or a wholesale deal, because the numbers are going to be different depending on what you're doing with the property. Go back to the dashboard here. I'm going to do Montgomery Street. For best use, I recommend putting in your AI project plan. This is basically telling the app your plan of action when it comes to what you want to do with the rehab for this property. Now, you can generate scopes purely from this project plan. The app can consider the square footage, the bedrooms, the bathrooms from the house, and give you a scope of work based on your project plan. But for best use, I recommend doing a project plan and uploading photos. You can generate a scope by uploading photos by themselves, by doing an AI project plan by itself, or like I said, for best use, you do it together. So this is our AI project plan. So we want to replace the siding on the house and the carport. We want to replace the roof on both the house and the carport. Inside the house, we want to install new laminate flooring throughout. The whole house needs to be painted. We're going to do all new interior and exterior doors. The kitchen and bathroom both need to be updated. We're going to upgrade the electrical panel and make sure that the HVAC is working properly. So we're going to go ahead and save this plan. And now that we have our AI project plan in place, we're going to come here. Now we do have some photos already here. This is the exterior. All right, so we're going to upload more photos here. So let's select another room just to show you how it works. The app can handle up to 50 uploads at one time, but you shouldn't have 50 photos of one room unless you're doing some a pretty tricky rehab. So we made room for that. So living room, we got 2 photos here. Takes a few seconds for the photos to upload and for the AI within the app to actually analyze the photos. It will show you the issues that the AI has detected, and it will also give you recommendations on what needs to be done in this particular room. All right. So here are the 2 photos of the living room, and you can see issues found: peeling paint on the walls, outdated paneling, damaged flooring, old hardware, visible electric outlet issues. Then it gives you the recommendations for solving those issues. Let's add another room here. Let's do a bedroom. Let's time it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it uploaded one photo successfully and the other photo failed. But it tells you what happens. It shows you we're live and in color. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the scopes that we currently have. We got 8 scopes totaling 32,000 just for the exterior. Let's get rid of these so I can show you the app in its full effect. So you can select each photo individually, or you can select all with AI, and you can add all to your scope of work. So you have the exterior, the living room, and one of the bedrooms in your scope of work. Let's click add all to scope. It'll take a few seconds because it's going to get rid of any duplicates that it finds, and it's going to put together a comprehensive scope of work for anybody that can be clearly and easily understood by any user, no matter what level they are in the real estate game. So let's go over here to the scopes. We've got 62,000 so far with 24 total tasks. Now that you have your scopes in place, now the project is in progress. You see the estimated cost updated here. We can go back to the overview page and we see the cost breakdown for materials and labor. That's a lot closer than it normally is, but I trust the app. And for those who don't trust the app, this is a really cool feature. As you update your progress, the app learns. But we'll come back to that in a second. The first thing I want to show you is that you can download or print a comprehensive scope of work that can be sent to lenders. If you're a wholesaler, you can send it to your buyers. If you're a property or project manager, you can send it to your clients. If you're a contractor, you can send it to your clients. And it clearly lays out everything that needs to be done and what everything is going to cost, material and labor wise. So click download. You got your Montgomery Street scope of work right here. It's well done. It has everything in place. Gives you total material cost, total labor cost, total project cost. If we had input a purchase price for the property, it would also include that and add that with the total project cost to come with our total investment cost. So now that you see, you can print out your scope of work, you can email that to anyone who uses it. You can also share this project with your contractor. If you're a property or project manager, you can share this project with the owner of the property. This way you can keep everybody in the loop without everybody having to pay for their own subscription. It helps you keep track of everything. And here you can track your progress. So let's say we completed installing the new laminate flooring. And let's say instead of $3,750, let's say it cost us $4,000. When you input the new actual cost to complete the scope of work, the app will learn, and future scopes that it creates will take into account how much you actually paid to get this job done. You say you finished it today. Click complete. Your progress, you're 4% done with the project now. And the app just got a little bit of an education on how much it costs to install laminate flooring in a house of this size. And you can always come back here to check out your overview. Let's see. So I showed you how to generate a scope of work for your project using the AI project plan combined with photos that you've uploaded of the property. Get your scopes, You can come in, you can actually edit your scopes, change the cost before making any progress, or you can come down here to the bottom of the scopes page and you can add renovation scopes. You can add your scopes manually. And get each room listed here: interior, kitchen, living room, bedrooms, bathrooms, basements, attics, garage. So whatever room you're working on in the property, we have templates here. And if by chance we miss something and your contractor gives you a quote on something that needs to be done, you can always add a custom scope here manually. All right, so now that we understand how to generate that scope of work, generate that rehab estimate using our AI, play around, show you the dashboard. If you have multiple projects, they'd be here at the bottom. New project, my projects, those are self-explanatory. You got billing. There are multiple plan options. And if you decide that you no longer want to have any of the plan options, you can come here and easily delete your account. And because this is my admin account, I can't really show you the different plans and features, but I can tell you that $79 per month for a solo plan gives you unlimited projects and unlimited ability to share with contractors and owners and whoever you might see fit to share it with. 179 per month for a team plan. That's where everybody on the team can create projects and work separately but together at the same time. And then we also have a pay per project model where you can pay $33 for a project credit, and those credits never expire, and you can continue to work on that project as long as you need to. So, everybody, this is Rehab Insights by Hope. And again, I am Wesley Smith with Helping Our People Evolve LLC. If you're interested in this app, just go to rehabinsights.io and get started today. Stay blessed.